Okay, we're back again, and today I want to start on one of the last major features before I'm somewhat content with this dumb little program. And we'll probably try using it for something serious, let's say. And that's what I want, is I want another little button up here, similar to this one, but not exactly like it, which allows me to choose which windows to capture and which ones to ignore. I suspect this is going to take some time and it's going to be predominantly UI work, so I've been putting it off for both of those reasons. But we'll get stuck into it and we'll see how we go. So we'll start by just drawing the box. We can probably draw Windows select button in the region. I probably need to move the region. Oh, no. I see. I see. That is a curious way of doing that. I don't think this is a good way of doing this, but we will come back to this. And here what we're going to do this needs to be state. And I'm probably going to need global state for the UI. I've been putting it off for a while. And I think I'll put it off some more. But I think I will need some global state. Yeah, there's only one UI thread. There's a bunch of global stuff that we keep passing around. That's kind of silly. Draw video preview. All right. And here's the window select. We'll do a char and we'll make this draw window select. Oh, we almost used the same name. This will be draw window select button. And when do I want to draw this? Actually, in this specific case, I can get away with doing this. Then we can go draw window select. No, I think what I want to do is go. I need to make sure I can turn it off though. Yeah, that should be fine. That shouldn't be a problem. So we go if draw window select button region. Then we want to go win select equals 1. And if win select, then we can draw win select. A good question is where? I don't know an answer to that. Because this is just the video console. I kind of think it should be outside of the video console and overlaid on the whole screen. I almost kind of think that half of it should be, so if I bring up the program, the ratio is a bit off, but I kind of think that this part up here, the audio console, should become the window select part. And as you're selecting the windows, this changes to a preview of that window so you can see which window it is. Like, that sounds kind of nice. I'm not sure of I'm not really sure of a better UI for that, frankly. Yeah, okay. We might do the global state for the UI. It's getting kind of silly. Even though kind of silly is our middle name. And we'll just put this in widgets. Does it need to be in state? Can it be in widgets? I think it can just be in widgets, because I think anything that needs to be the actual, it controls the actual state of the program, not just the state of the UI. That should be in the X context, or in, you know, one of those places, as it were. So I think what we can do is we can go struct UI state, and then here we're going to put char win select. We'll have that. We'll have our struct output box output format, I guess. Oh yeah, we can fold output boxes into here. This can be output box. Sure. And this can be box lens, size t, box cap, that's fine. I can live with that. And then this can just be a size t, this can just be a size t. We can, I guess, bring that down here, I suppose. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't hurt. We can separate that. I think we might keep the texture 2D, and this is the preview. That might have to be a pointer, I'm not too sure. Yeah, text input is an interesting one. I don't think we need to, yeah, I don't think this one needs to change because it takes all this stuff. So I think that's fine. Selected and playing. We'll see if we can come across anything else, but this will be a fine start. So we'll go back to widgets. We'll get rid of this. And we'll do that. Yes, so this should be UI dot texture. Dot preview. And this should be UI dot preview. Am I meant to destroy the old one? I don't know how that works. Okay, and this should be if UI dot win select. We can get rid of that. We can make this to be UI dot win select, and then at the top here we can do a struct UI state UI. And I mean, it's defined to all be 0, so we can just get away with that. And that's fine, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, we'll have to change a bunch of other stuff. Somewhere. The box pointers, I guess. Yes, what is boxes? What are these boxes of which you speak? So this should essentially be... Right, so we just need that part of it. UI.box pointer, I guess. And this should be UI.box pointer. Probably gonna find a number of them. This is UI boxlen. That should be fine, I think. There is boxes. What do I need that for? Who needs it? I need it. This should be box pointer. This should be box pointer. Box pointer. This should be boxlen. Very good, very good. Where's capacity? Probably not here, because I don't think we decrease capacity when we do this. There's boxes. Let's get rid of that. Okay, this looks acceptable, I think. Do we deallocate params anywhere? Just leave it around. We can get rid of that. This is a hack. We'll see what we can do about that at some point. Okay. How are we doing? Surely there's more boxes. There's some boxes. Here are some boxes. Here we go. There's boxlen. I'm still expecting to find a box capacity though. Yeah, here we go. So this is UI.boxlen, UI.boxcap, 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 UI.boxcap. This is UI.boxpointer. Okay, and UI.box. So many boxes. If only there was some kind of way to automate this, some kind of scripting mechanism, or I don't know. I just can't think of exactly what I want. If only there was something though. All right, does that compile? No, very good.